Hey people, in this video I'm going to show you how to stream from your PS5 to your Twitch account. This is a quick and easy process to do, and first what you want to do is head up to the top here and come to your settings. And from the main settings page you want to come all the way to the bottom and click Captures and Broadcasts. Now on the left you want to come down to Broadcasts, and from here you can change the video quality, the audio, so if you want your voice chat to be shared or not, and you can select the camera here if you have a camera plugged in, and then your overlays, so you can display the chat, display the active and the position of where you want these to be, as you can see here, and also the chat to speech. So once you're happy with all this information, you can start up your game. So we'll just start up Gran Turismo, and once you're in the game you can press the share button on your PS5 controller and you want to come across to broadcast. And now you can either broadcast to YouTube or Twitch. So in our case we want to select Twitch, and then you can select go live, or you can select more settings here, and these are just what you've just changed, but you can make sure they're all correct for how you want your Twitch to be broadcast. You can also change the server, and below here you can add a title to your Twitch broadcast, and once you're happy with everything you can select go live. And now, with all the notifications, it'll tell you that you're now broadcasting. Now everything you do will be broadcast to Twitch. To stop broadcasting, you can press the share button again, and then come across to broadcast, and you can either pause the broadcast or stop the broadcast. Alternatively, you can press the PlayStation button on your control pad, and then come to the left there on the broadcast, and again you can select a few different things, but the main is pause the broadcast or stop the broadcast. You can select stop broadcast, and then it'll ask you are you sure. You can select yes, and that will stop the broadcast to Twitch. And that is how you quickly broadcast your PS5 to Twitch. I hope that video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the like button below, consider subscribing, and thanks for watching.